Hey guys, welcome back to Asia Kamara TV. Today, as promised, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my lash tech thingy things. So it's going to be a super quick video. It's not going to take too long, not going to take too much of your time. But if you would like to watch me unbox my lash supplies, just keep watching. Okay, forgot to mention that I have unboxed a lot of my stuff already because I needed it to do lashes, but I am going to be unboxing my lash bed and my lash stool. But get into this hair. Get into this hair, honey. Asia K Collection, shop with me. Period. So I do also have this cute little mirror that I got from Amazon Prime. I'm gonna be using this. It's gonna be my first time using it today on my client. And yeah, super cute. I think it ran about $4 or $6. I can't really remember, but yeah. Let's get into the unboxing. I forgot that I got a pink one, so it's really cute. You can see it already. I believe I just got a black stool. I ordered it like a month ago and I don't really recall what I ordered. Trying to hurry it up so I can get set up too before she gets here. Love this sound. So nice. There you go. I think this is something I may have to assemble. Okay, yes, I have to assemble this. Yeah. So, you guys can come along with me. Watch me set up my station also. Now, probably should have did this earlier. Okay, it's okay though. Yeah. All right, let's go. I should have did this earlier. Should have done this earlier. My defense, as I told you guys, I work late on the weekends. So I didn't get home until after 3 in the morning. So that, my friends, is my excuse. As long as we have this, I think we're good. Oh, and this. Yeah. Pepper shitting. By the way, got this cute little pillow from Hobby Lobby. I think it was 10 bucks, I think. I'm just finished rinsing my tools after I got them out of the barbicide. Barbicide water mixture, by the way. These soaked overnight. Nice and clean. I'm actually putting this closer to me. Move this. Alright, and this is pretty much it. This is my setup. Let me get a cute little picture for my thumbnail. Just kidding. No, but this is pretty much it. I have the whole setup, you know, just in case she gets cold, she has a blanket and more comfy to lay on. I will let her have that pillow. But yeah, everything's pretty much set up. I'm going to be sitting up here on the stool. Let's test the stool out before she gets it, because we don't need to be getting embarrassed or falling. Make sure it works. Yeah, it looks good to me. Feels good to me. Okay, interesting. But yeah, everything looks. You guys do that. I think I'm gonna pull this closer to me back here. That way I can easily access my tools and such, my lashes, everything that I need. Pull this closer to this area. And yeah, we're Gucci. So that completes my unboxing and setup video that I promised you guys I was gonna do. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, you already know what to do. Put them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because we're gonna be doing a lot more. Oh, don't mind these boxes. You guys know I just moved, and we are gonna do an apartment tour soon once I get it set up the way that I want it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell for post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. And that is it, y'all. I love y'all and thank y'all for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video.